On the canvas of life we paint, colors blend and dreams take shape. Through the whispers of the wind, in this world we won't escape. In the twilight, soft and slow, with music gently we will flow. Tense and tones that sway the heart, piece by piece a work of art. All you need is music's touch to lift your soul free. It's so much. Songs and hues will guide your way. Bring the calm and chase the wave. A melody to soothe your mind in every note. Some peace you'll find with crayons bright. We sketch our dreams while music soothes with gentle streams. As the colors